Flying back to the hive with my pollen quota for the week, indulging in my Herculean feats. The pollen was heavy all around, and my wings did an extra beats, understanding my wind speed. Now the human didn't care and put smoke in the air as I became weak. Paired my vision to not wreak havoc I would wreak. And of course I can't guarantee if our queen wasn't pleased, so missed a million swarm of bees. I know, I wish I flew. If you steal my honey, can't believe that it's true, that you'd steal my honey, protect the hive and sting you. If you steal my honey. Climbing up the hive because I still couldn't fly, hearing it's out by the entire fleet. I entered the hive, just glad I was still alive, but I still had a job to complete. Now the funny man took everything we had and had nothing to keep, while I'm trying not to weep. And I'm not the only one, but I wish I didn't see, so missed a million swarm of bees. I know, I wish I flew. If you steal my honey, can't believe that it's true, that you'd steal my honey, protect the hive and sting you. If you steal my honey. No, it's done for me that you stole my honey, not something hard to see. That you stole my honey, keeping watch and catch the thief that would steal my honey. My honey, if you steal my honey, my honey. 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 If you steal my honey, honey. If you steal my honey.